hyperMILL is the high-performance complete CAM solution directly integrated in SOLIDWORKS. Developed by OpenMind Technologies, hyperMILL is a gold-certified CAM product providing innovative solutions for 2.5D, 3D, 5-axis milling, and mill turn. As a gold product, hyperMILL is seamlessly integrated in SOLIDWORKS. In-window operation means that users can simultaneously work in SOLIDWORKS and in hyperMILL. Direct integration means that there is no data transfer and CAM and geometry are associatively linked. hyperMILL works both in part mode and assembly mode. Geometry selection is performed using the SOLIDWORKS interface. Here we select the location of the work offset, and here during creation of the stock model. hyperMILL tracks stock models to optimize toolpath generation. Here is a roughing job, and here is a representation of the remaining stock. This model can be used in subsequent jobs. Here we use the model to guide a smaller cutter to remove remaining material. hyperMILL can recognize features for use in toolpath generation. Here a pocket is recognized, and when the feature is opened, the UI is displayed showing characteristics and orientation of the pocket. Here is a contouring job generated using the feature to clean the walls of the pocket. Here is a pocket having a different tool vector with a contour path generated using the feature. Holes can also be recognized as a feature. When the feature is selected, the location, orientation, and hole information is displayed. Using the hole features, we can generate a cycle to spot drill all the holes on the part with one smooth 5-axis path. During toolpath calculation, the tool and holder are checked for collisions with the part and the fixture. The path can be simulated to show the movement of the tool. A working machine model can be integrated and collision checking between the spindle and the part or the table is performed. The user has the ability to view the machine motion during the cut. hyperMILL sales and service contact information can be found at www.openmind-tech.com. In the United States, contact us at 888-516-1232.